my cows increased by 3 litres per cow per day.
My name is Rachel McCarthy, working with Specialist Nutrition. We're here today on the farm of John Shanahan in Ballintotis near Midleton in Cork.
I am farming here with my wife Anne and my son Jack on a dairy farm. We have 100 cows and they are 50-50 autumn and spring calving.
John began working with Specialist Nutrition in April 2017. Eornagold was introduced into the diet at that time.
Previous to using the Eornagold, I was feeding grass silage, maize silage and fodder beet, and also a high protein blend.
Immediately John saw an increase in milk yield of up to 3 litres. He also saw a reduction in workload as he was able to eliminate beet from the diet. There was also increased fertility, and he also had improved daily intakes, as Eornagold is a moist feed and it enhances intakes because it makes the overall substrate of the diet wet.
The first day I noticed, in a short space of time, my cows increased by 3 litres per cow per day. I was surprised they increased in yield so quickly with the introduction of Eornagold. Before I started using Eornagold, my empty rate was up close to 20% and gradually it has come down to 14%. The extra energy in the Eornagold gave the cows a great boost after calving, and I'm sure it helped them very well in going back in calf. Since I finished using beet, it reduced the workload an awful lot. I no longer have to wash and chop the beet. I just get the Eornagold, put a sheet of plastic over it, and it's there ready to use every day.
In today's buffer diet we have 5 kilos of Eornagold, 12 kilos of grass silage and 1/3 of a kilo of straw. John has been able to unlock the potential of his farm by including the Eornagold in the buffer diet to boost overall production. For more information on Eornagold and other Specialist Nutrition products, visit our website at specialistnutrition.ie or follow us on any of our social medias.